I asked ChatGPT for advice on buying a home just to see what it'd say. Honestly, some of it was spot on, but the last thing it said kind of made me cringe. First off, it nailed this: there's no such thing as a perfect home. That's true. You're not going to get every single thing on your wish list, and that's totally fine. The smart move is to focus on the 80% that actually matters. Things like layout, location, natural light, the stuff you can't easily change. You can always swap out the countertops later or change doorknobs later. The second thing it got right: even new construction needs an inspection. Yep, just because it's brand new doesn't mean it's perfect. Always get the inspection. But here's where it lost me. ChatGPT said, marry the house, date the rate. And listen, I get what that's trying to say. I've seen other real estate agents promote that same commentary. But that advice only works if you are absolutely sure you'll be able to refinance later. And let's be real, that's not guaranteed. Rates might not drop, your financial situation could change, you could lose a job. So banking on a refi someday, that's risky. If you're buying, the payment has to make sense today, not in theory, not someday, right now. So I'm curious, if you've ever asked ChatGPT for real estate advice, what did it tell you? Drop it in the comments below. I want to hear the good, the bad, and the weird. Welcome home.